Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert OGG to MP3 on Mac. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Cloud Convert. After that, open the official website and you will be redirected to this page. Here, you just need to open the Files window and drop the target audio onto this website. Now, select the Convert to menu and select the MP3 format. Once done, click on Convert. Next, wait for it to be completed. After it's done, a pop-up will appear on your screen with a download button. Simply click on the download button and you'll be good to go. So that's basically how you can convert OGG to MP3 on Mac. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.